Makeup tutorial for beginners. First, we are going to prime our face, and we're using this face primer from Flawless Ivy Cosmetics. It's a mattifying face primer. A little goes a long way. Next is foundation, and we're using this foundation from Vid Beauty. I'm going to mix the foundation with this Eye Glow Up Tinted Illuminator from Vid Beauty as well. I mix it two together like this. Next is concealer, and we're using this concealer from Adventure Makeup. It's the Blend Pro Concealer. Next, I'm using the brighter shade of that the same Adventure Blend Pro Concealer to brighten up the other eye. Next is contour. I'm using this cream bronzer from Flora Makeup. Next, you're going to contour our nose. Next is cream blush, and we are using this cream blush from Flora Makeup. Next, we're going to set our face. And we're using this high definition setting powder from Blossom Makeup. Next, we are going to set our contour. We are using this powder palette from V Beauty. We are using this shade to set our contour. Next, we are going to set our nose contour. Next, we are going to set our cream blush. I'm using this powder blush from Sonia Makeup. Next is brows. Next, I'm going to use concealer to clean up the brows to define it more. Next is eyes. And before we do our eyes, we are going to set the under eye. for any eyeshadow fallout. Clean the contour. Next is eyes. First, I'm going to use this shade for my crease. Blend the edges. Next, I'm going to use this shade for my outer crease. Highlighter from Zico Cosmetics is the Sparkling Honey Dust Highlighter. I'm going to use it for my eyelid. I need to use my hand first. Next, I'm going to line my waterline and under eye. Next is lips, and I'm going to use this black lip liner to line my lips. For lips, I'm using this lip palette from MAC Cosmetics, and I'm using this shade. And this is the finished look.